Hey guys, welcome to Quick Fix. So today in this video we will look at a very important part of programming, which is returning multiple values from your function. So as you know, in C and C++ it is not allowed, or you can say not permitted, to return values as it is available in Python, where we can return multiple values from our function. So how to do that in C and C++? So for that we will use a different approach to return values. There are multiple approaches, but I will be using a structural approach as it will be very useful in online programming competition. So for today's video, I will be taking a simple example of finding max and min value from a single function and returning both max and min values to the caller. So let's begin with the code. So here you can see I have already written some part of the code. So I have defined an array of 7 elements and is the size, and min max value will be my function name. So let's start with writing a function. Initially I will write a general code of finding min max value. Okay, so let's start. Int, and the parameter which I will pass is the array and the size of array. Okay, so to find min and max value I have to declare two variables, which will be int mn. For min I'll declare it with 0, and the mx will be the max value, and yeah, the both will be array of 0. Okay, so for logic for finding the min max value, I'll be using the for loop at I equal to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus. Yeah, so it has a very simple logic. If mx value is smaller than array of I, then mx will be array of I, and for min, if mn greater than array of I, then mn will be equal to array of I. So this is our function, and I will print the min max value here for your better understanding. Max and min values. As %d first will be our max and second will be the min. So it will be mx and mn. Okay, so here you can see in C and C++ we can return only a single value from our function. For now I will return only the max, mx, and here in result it will get the max value, and the max value will be printed. Okay, so for now I will comment this line and run this code. First I will debug this code. So max value is not defined. Yeah, int max value. Okay, so our code is compiled successfully, and I will start. So here you can see we are getting 10 as the maximum value. So this is correct, and this value is printed here at the max and min value, and the result will get here. We have to print the result. We have to stop this first. So this will be result, and I will again debug this code. Code is compiled successfully, and now I will again rerun this code. So here you can see this will be printed in our function here, and in the main function this is printed, so we are getting the correct answer. Okay, so as you know, we in today's agenda we are uh, finding a way to how to return multiple values from your function. So as you know, we can only return single value from the function in C and C++. What we will do is we will use structure to store both the result, and then we will return structure to caller, and then extract both the values from the structure. uh, don't worry if you don't understand what I said now. We will write a code so you can understand better. So to start with, first I will stop this, and I will start with writing a structure. So how to write a structure, I have already created a video which you can see on the right corner. You can also refer that if you don't know how to create structure and use it. So let's continue now. So I will create a structure called struct result, which will store our results. In that I will declare two variables, int max value, int min value. Okay, and semicolon. So as you know, we'll be returning a structure from our function uh, so that we can access both the max and min value. So the return type of our function should also be a structure. So instead of int, we have to write the structure name. So this will be result. Okay. So now I will store the both max and min value. For that I have to write struct rest. I have created a structure variable called the result, and then I will store result dot max value will get mx, and result dot min value will get mn. Okay, so now I will return the result. So now you will be understanding why we change the data type of our function, because we are returning a structure. Okay, so to catch a structure, we also have to declare a structure variable, or here in the main function, which will be like the result. I will name this as also result, or anything you can do. And here to print the max value, we'll do the result dot max value. This will print our max value, and to print the min value from the structure, we'll use this. Okay, so what we have did is, first we created a structure called the result. Okay, then we created a structure variable inside the function, and we stored both these value, max and min value, in the structure, which will be stored here. And then we are returning a structure variable, and to return a structure variable, the data type of our function should also be a structure type. Okay, that's why we have written the result. Yeah, so to catch or to hold the value of the structure, we need another structure variable, so that we can copy those value inside that structure variable. So I have declared another structure variable result res, and then we are accessing both the values of max and min values. Yeah, so here it has to be result. Yeah, so I will again debug this code. Yeah, so the error is here, I missed the spellings. Yeah, so our code is compiled successfully. So now I will run this code here, and okay, just to print, I will add here the end line. Okay, let's stop this, add end line, handle, and now we can see the result. So this code is compiled successfully, and then we are running this code. So here you can see we are getting the correct answer. The max value is 10, which is 10 here, and the smallest value is 0. This is 0. Okay, this method will be useful during your online competition or campus placement. There are other ways too, but this method is widely used in case where we want to return multiple values of different data types. Yeah, because we can store multiple values in our structure, and we can return as an array or values too with the structure. So if you didn't understand, please watch this video again, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Try subscribing my channel for such video, and if you have any doubt, write it down in the comment section. So that is all for today, guys. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you, guys.